Alright, welcome back to another episode of Closer's mathematics class. Today we'll be talking about the cone. Alright, don't forget, in my last video I discussed about cylinder. Alright, so in this video now we're talking about the cone. Now when we talk about the cone, there are also formulas that we need to know. I've spoken about the properties of a cone, so in this video we're talking about the formulas, and then we are going to be solving examples. Alright, so now what's the first thing we need to know about a cone? The first formula is the curved surface area of a cone. I seen that now. The curved surface area of a cone is given by what? By RL. By what? RL. You know the L is the what? Is the slant. Are you seeing that now? This slant part, that's what we call the what? The L. Are you seeing that now? And then we know that the what's it called now? The H is the what? Is the height. Are you seeing that now? The H is the what? Is the height. You can also call the L the slant. You know the L is also talking about height, but it is the what? The slant height. Are you seeing that now? So for the curved surface area, it is what? Pi multiplied by the radius multiplied by the what? The slant height. Are you seeing that now? And then another thing we need to know is the total surface area. So the total surface area, are you seeing that now? The total surface area, just like we did under volume, are you seeing that now? The total surface area of this one too is also what? Curved surface area plus the what? The area of its base. Curved surface area multiplied by the what? The area of the base. You can see that the base is like a circle, so automatically the area there is what? Pi r square. Are you seeing that now? Pi what? Pi r square. So that is saying pi rl plus what? Pi r square. So that will now give us what is common among them? Pi r. Are you seeing that? You'll be left with what? L plus what? L plus r. Are you seeing that now? So that is the formula for calculating the what? The total surface area of a what? Of a cone. Are you seeing that now? That's the formula for calculating the total surface area of a what? Of a cone. And then we have the volume. Volume. Are you seeing that now? Volume is what? 1/3 pi r square what? H. 1/3 pi r square h. That is the what? The volume of a cone. Are you seeing that now? That is the volume of a cone. Now before I move to another thing, I get something. Before I move to another thing, I want to say something very, very important. I want to say something very, very what? Important. So let me write it as a what? As a note. So you must note that. What is that note? The circumference. Are you seeing that now? The circumference of base, the circumference of the base, the circumference of the what? Of the base. Are you seeing that now? The circumference of the base of a cone, is equal to what? To length, is equal to length of arc, is equal to what? Length of arc of a sector. Are you seeing that now? So we are saying that what? The circumference of the base, the circumference of the base of the circumference of the base of a cone is equal to the what? To the length of the what? Of arc of a what? Of a sector. So what's the circumference of a cone? The circumference of a cone is given by what? 2 pi r. Are you seeing that now? The circumference of the what? Of the base of a cone is given by what? 2 pi r, equal to length of what? We say it is equal to what? The length of arc of a sector. What's the formula for length of arc of a sector? That's what? Theta over So let me raise this up now. So let me write that. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So this is giving away 2 pi, right now, 2 pi r equal to, say, area of a sector of a cone. I get something. Length of an arc of a cone is given by what? Theta over 360 multiplied by what? 2 pi what? Pi l. Are you seeing that now? So you should also note this formula. Are you seeing that now? You should also note the formula. It is also something very, very important. All right. So now let's see example. Now we have an example here. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. It says that what? A cone. It says a cone has a base. A cone has a base radius of, it has a base radius of what? 6 centimeter, and height, says it has a height, what? Height of 14 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? Height of 14 centimeter. The first question is what? Find number 1, the slant height. Are you seeing that now? Question 1 is what? We want to calculate the slant height. Number 2, let's say we want to calculate the total surface area. Are you seeing that now? We want to calculate the total surface area. Are you seeing that now? And let's now see number 3. We want to calculate the volume. All right. So now these are the 3 things that we want to calculate under this particular thing. Now for you to solve this, you might need to draw. I guess I'm saying you might need to do what? To draw the diagram. So let's draw the diagram. All right, so that we can understand this. So let's draw the diagram. This will be the diagram. Are you seeing this now? So this is it. You can see that now. So this is the height, and this is the radius part. Are you seeing that now? So you can see I've been able to draw this out. By so doing now, it will help me know the right thing to do. Are you seeing that now? It will help me know the right thing to do. So this is our L that we don't know. Are you seeing that now? They said our base radius is what? 6 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? And our height is what? 14 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? So with this, I want to find L. How will you get your L? Bring that thing outside. Are you seeing that now? Bring that outside. If you bring it outside, you will have something like this. Are you seeing that now? Like this and like this. Is that also? So this is your L. This is what? 14 centimeter, and this is what? 6 centimeter. You can see that with this now, it will help us get our L using what? Pythagoras theorem, which is what? Hypotenuse squared equal to what? Opposite squared plus what? Adjacent squared. Are you seeing that now? That now what's the hypotenuse? L squared equal to opposite. So you can make an angle here. Are you seeing that now? You can see an angle 14, opposite square 14 square. Are you seeing that now? 14 square plus what? Adjacent 6 squared. Are you seeing that now? Very simple. 14 squared, that will give us 14 squared. 14 squared will give us 196. That's 14 times 14, 196 plus 6 times 6, 36. Are you seeing that now? Then that will now give us L squared equal to what? 196 plus 36. That will give us 232. And then our L will now be what? Square root of what? 232. Are you seeing that now? Square root of 232. And our L will now give us what? Our L will give us, if you do the square root of 232, that will give us 15.232 centimeter. if you put it in 2 decimal place, let me clean this. So this will give us 15.232. Are you seeing that now? So if you put approximate to nearest, if to 2 decimal place, that will give us 15.23 centimeter. So that is our slant size that we are, slant height rather, that we are told to find. Are you seeing that now? Now number 2 question. Number 2 question says we should find the total surface area. What's the formula for finding the total surface area of a cone? Total surface area of a cone is what? Pi r into brackets what? L plus r into bracket L plus r. Are you seeing this now? What does this have to tell you? For you to do anything, if you are not giving your slant height, you would need to find your slant height first. Are you getting what I'm saying? You would need to find your what? Your slant height first. Without getting your slant height, there is nothing you can do. Are you getting what I'm saying now? There is nothing you can what? You can do. Alright. So that will now give us what? Our pi. So pi is what? 3.142. Are you seeing that now? 3.142 multiplied by our r. What's our r? 6. Are you seeing that now? Multiplied by 6. And then what is our L? Our L, we've gotten our L here, which is 15.23 plus 6. Are you seeing that now? So that will now give us what? 3.142 multiplied by what? So we have 3.142 multiplied by 6, then multiply by, bracket means multiplication. So 15.23 plus 6, that will give us 21.23. Are you seeing that now? So if we multiply these 3 together now, 3.142 times 6 times 21.23, that will give us what? 400. So confirm it in your calculator. That will give us 2656 centimeter. Are you seeing that now? Centimeter squared. That's what we are going to have, and that will give us approximately that will give us what? Approximately that will give us 400.27 centimeter squared. That's to 2 decimal place, right? We are leaving our answer in 2 decimal place. Are you seeing that now? So that's the answer for that. All right. Now the last one that says the word the volume. What's the volume? We said volume is what? 1/3, right? 1/3 pi r square what? H. Are you seeing that now? 1/3 pi r square h. So that means our volume is what? 1/3 multiplied by pi. Are you seeing that now? Your pi here is what? Your pi is 3.142 multiplied by our r squared, that's 6 squared, then multiplied by our h. They gave us h. Our h did, that's what? 14. Are you seeing that now? So our h is what? 14. Alright, so now you are going to multiply that together. Alright, so let's multiply that together. It is also actually very simple. It is also actually what? Very simple. So you just do on your calculator. Do the upper side first. So that 3.142 multiplied by 6 squared is what? 36. Then multiply by what? 14 all over what? 3. Are you seeing that now? So let's do that together. 3.142 times 36 times 14. That give us what? That give us 1000 568, then divide by what? 3. Are you seeing that now? So divide the answer by 3. That will give us what? Our volume is equals to, our volume now is equal to what? 527.856. Are you seeing that now? And if you approximate to 2 decimal place, that will give us what? 527.87. What will be the unit? Centimeter cube. Are you seeing that now? So that is the answer for our what? Question. Are you seeing that now? That's the answer for our question. Do you understand that now? So that is how we'll get that. All right. So now when we have this, I've told you everything that you need to know under the cone. Don't forget, these are the formulas that you need. This is for the curved surface area, this is the what? Total surface area, and this is the what? The volume. Are you seeing that now? That is the what? The volume. All right. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to give you assignments. So if you have questions, please feel free to ask questions and solve more examples on your own. Solve more what? Examples on your own. Are you seeing that now? So let me give you assignments. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. All right, so now let's write a sector of a circle. A sector of a circle of radius 12 centimeter or 12 centimeter, which subtend an angle, which subtends an angle of 216 degrees, is bent to form a cone. Are you seeing that now? Is bent to form a cone. Is bent to form what? A cone. Full stop. So what are you to find? Find number 1, the radius. Find the radius of the base. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Then number 2, you are to find the curved surface area. Then number 3, find the total surface area. Number 4, find the volume. All right, so this is the assignment. Now you can see in this part, now you have to use the key I gave you. I seen that now. To get the area, you have to use this particular formula. I seen that now. In this case here now, your L is what? Is 12. I seen that now. In that case, your L is what? Is 12. So from here now, you will make R subject of formula and you solve. All right, make a subject of formula and you solve. Your L is what? Is 12, and then you are good to go. Are you getting that now? All right, so thank you very much for watching, and should in case you need a personalized private class, feel free to reach out to me on my WhatsApp number for a personalized online class. 070 52. Let me write that. Alright, so my WhatsApp number 070 52 60 9233. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp number. Feel free to reach out to me for a personalized WhatsApp, for a personalized private class. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright.